Hi everyone! In this video, I am going to show how to take ultrasonic sensor values using only one digital pin. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and turn on the bell button to get the notification of new videos. These are the component required. You can use Arduino instead. First, placing the ESP32 in the breadboard. Then connecting 3.3 volt of ESP32 with breadboard positive terminal. And ground of ESP32 with breadboard negative terminal. Then placing ultrasonic sensor in the breadboard. Short the trigger and echo pin of ultrasonic sensor using a jumper. Then connecting VCC of ultrasonic with the positive terminal of breadboard. And ground of ultrasonic with breadboard negative terminal. Then connecting trigger and echo pin with the GPIO pin 5 of ESP32. The connection is done. Then connecting ESP32 with computer via USB cable. Now coming in the coding part. This line includes the NewPing Library, which provides functions to easily interface with ultrasonic distance sensor. These lines define the pin numbers used to connect the ultrasonic sensor to the microcontroller. Trig pin and echo pin are both set to pin 5. This line defines the maximum distance, in centimeters, that the sensor will measure. Anything beyond this distance will be considered out of range. This line creates an instance of the NewPing object named Sonar. It is initialized with the trigger pin, echo pin, and the maximum distance that we have defined earlier. This line measures the distance using the ultrasonic sensor. The ping centimeter function of the sonar object sends a ping, a short sound pulse, and measures how long it takes for the echo to return. The time is then converted into a distance in centimeters and stored in the distance variable. These lines will show the distance value in the serial monitor. Select the proper board and upload the code. Open serial monitor and see the result. Thank you for watching.